Alright, so earlier when I was talking about the weather being back to normal, well, now it's thundering. The rain isn't hard, like, at all. It's a very light sprinkle at the most, because you can see the leaves are wet. Sorry, it's kind of shaky. There, that's better. But you can see the leaves are wet, but as you listen, and you look, I mean, you can't really see much rain. Like, you can't see the raindrops, and you can't see it, like, like, you can't see the little splash it makes when it hits the ground. It's not raining very hard. The clouds do look pretty, threatening, I guess. I was talking with my friend, and while we were talking, we heard a bunch of thunder go. Like we heard a bunch of thunder. That's my point. I don't know what I was gonna say. Like, we heard thunder go. Whatever. You get my point. It seems like it's all coming from the Washington side of the Columbia, which is like the Columbia River's after that. After this here building, the white kind of looking one, that factory where the smoke's coming out, the paper mill, is in Washington. Those clouds up there, kinda weird. Sorry, the bug screen is making the camera out of focus too, because we got the bug screen in the window, like a mesh kinda to keep the bugs out. You guys probably have them at your house. But in Washington, it seems like where all the lightning is coming from, or thunder. And then there's like patches of blue and lighter clouds everywhere. Thought that was another thunder for a second, but it was just a jet. You can see there's like these wet roads and everything. So yeah, it was a fairly nice day until like early afternoon, and it started raining, and then it started thundering. So yeah, I mean, I was gonna like video longer to see if there was any lightning, but I don't really feel like it. But yeah, it's not raining too hard. It's just kind of normal June weather with a little bit of thunder and lightning mixed in. There weren't any visible strikes that I saw. All I saw was, all I heard was thunder. There's kind of a pointy looking cloud there. It's starting to rain harder now. See, because you can actually see the drops again. Oh, and the shopping cart's still there. When it starts raining, it usually fogs up really bad, and you can't see this area over here or this area, like these hills. It always like fogs over when it starts raining, because you can't see the factory as well, the paper mill, that you can't see it as well as you could a few minutes ago before it started raining harder. So I'll just leave you guys here for a couple minutes with the harder rain, see if anything exciting happens, and if not, then I'll stop videoing. It's kind of calming down now. Oh, whoa, that's too bright. Yeah, pretty much settled down again. It's pretty much once in a while that the rain comes down pretty hard, and then it kind of slows again and gets more mild. It keeps like getting active and then less active, and then active and then less active. Yeah, it's pretty much going to do that all day, I'm guessing. Tomorrow's supposed to be fairly sunny though, like sun and partial clouds, kind of like what they're getting over here in this area. Let me see how bad or good the weather is going to be, so I can show you guys. So, it says right here that we're in Gresham, but we're actually in Troutdale. But you know, it's not really that big of a difference, but just give me a second, I'll change it to Troutdale. I guess it is kind of a difference. It says Gresham's 55 with showers, and Troutdale is 59 with scattered thunderstorms. See, as you can see here, so here's the weather right now. So it's 59 degrees, it says, with scattered thunderstorms. And then it says, so now, which is 6 p.m. or 6:32 p.m. is the little lightning bolt symbol on the cloud with 59 degrees. Then 7 p.m. 57 degrees, cloudy. 8 p.m. 55 degrees, cloudy. 9 p.m. 30% chance of rain, and 55. Then sunset, it just has a little sunset thing, which is supposed to be 9. And 10 p.m. is, come on focus, 30% chance of rain with 54 degrees. Then I guess these clouds are kind of darker because it's night, maybe? I think that means like either night or stormy looking clouds, like those kinda. If the bug screen won't get out of focus and focus on the clouds. These kinds instead of those. And you can only see the bug screen. But you guys get my point, I showed you earlier. So at 11 it's 52 degrees, cloudy. Then midnight, or 12 a.m. as they're calling it here, it's actually just M, I guess, that's what we learned in school, is 52 degrees with partial moon showing and partial clouds. Then 1 a.m. 52 degrees, partial moon. 2 a.m. 50 degrees, and this is all in Fahrenheit, by the way. 50 degrees, partial moon, and 3, 4, 5 are all partial moon with 48 degrees, sunrise at 5:19. 6 a.m. 48 degrees, partial sun for really the whole day except for 1 p.m., which is supposed to be sun. And then at 6 p.m. tomorrow is 40% chance of thunderstorm. 4 and 5, cloudy, 64, and 64 for the thunderstorm. It's pretty much in the 60s all day, and as you get earlier it gets into the 50s and high 40s. So then Wednesday, partial sun, which is, so today is Tuesday, I think. It's, yeah, it's Tuesday. Oh, duh. Oh my goodness, that's embarrassing. Wednesday, so partial sun and thunderstorms for Thursday. Friday, rain. Saturday, partial sun. Sunday through Wednesday, sun. Thursday's just cloudy, but lowest temperatures, highs and lows. And 90. That'll be hot. So, Tuesday, next Tuesday, not gonna be fun. So today, scattered thunderstorms, currently it's 59 degrees Fahrenheit. High today was 63 degrees. Sunrise, sunset, chance of rain, humidity, wind, feels like what temperature it feels like, and what it actually is, which is back up there when you scroll up. Then all this other stuff, pressure, precipitation. I think that was thunder. It might have just been a big truck going over a bump or something though. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything. I mean, that's what we'll expect for the next week or so, if the weather's right, which it rarely is, so be prepared for crazy weather, everybody. It seems like the clouds are moving in. As you can see, it kind of did fog up as usual. Then there's a little bit of blue up there, but yeah, it's been quite the day for weather. The thunder that I thought I heard might have been that jet too, I don't know. Come on, focus. There. So yeah, there's pretty much just last view of everything. And then the sky. I can't really see what I'm getting there. I hope I got the sky. So yeah, that pretty much sums it up, guys. Thank you for watching. This is quite a bit longer than I originally intended. It's 11 minutes, 51 seconds now, 52, 53, and so on. But, yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll make it 12 minutes long. So thanks for watching.